Drainage basins. A drainage basin is an area of land where all the water that falls as rain, snow, or other forms of precipitation drains into a specific river or stream. This entire area is connected by a network of rivers and streams that funnel water from higher elevations down to a common point, such as a larger river, lake, or ocean. A drainage basin functions as a system where different components work together to move water from the land into a river and eventually to the sea. Here's how it works. Precipitation. Water from rain, snow, or other forms of precipitation falls onto the land within the drainage basin. Runoff and infiltration. Some of the water flows over the surface as runoff, while some infiltrates into the ground to become groundwater. Both surface water and groundwater contribute to the rivers and streams in the basin. Rivers and streams. Water in the drainage basin collects in rivers and streams, which carry it through the landscape. Transportation of sediments. As rivers flow, they also carry sediments, sand, silt, and other materials, from higher areas to lower ones, shaping the landscape. A river basin, which is part of a drainage basin, has several important features. Source. The source is the starting point of a river, often found in highland areas, such as mountains or hills. This could be a spring, a melting glacier, or simply a high point where rainwater collects and starts to flow downhill. Tributary. A tributary is a smaller river or stream that flows into a larger one. Tributaries increase the flow of the main river by adding more water from different parts of the drainage basin. For example, the Missouri River is a tributary of the Mississippi River. Confluence. A confluence is the point where two rivers or streams meet and join together. This is often a significant point where the flow of water increases. An example is the confluence of the Blue Nile and White Nile, which together form the main Nile River. Mouth. The mouth of a river is the place where it flows into another body of water, such as a larger river, a lake, or the ocean. At the mouth, the river's flow slows down, and it may deposit sediments, forming features like deltas or estuaries. Estuary. An estuary is a partially enclosed coastal body of water where fresh water from a river meets and mixes with salt water from the sea. Estuaries are often rich in nutrients and support diverse ecosystems. The Thames Estuary in England is a good example, where the Thames River meets the North Sea. Water resources. Drainage basins are crucial for supplying water for drinking, agriculture, and industry. The way water moves through a basin affects how much is available and when. Understanding drainage basins helps manage and reduce the risk of flooding, as large amounts of rain in a basin can lead to rivers overflowing their banks. Rivers and streams within drainage basins support diverse ecosystems, providing habitats for plants, animals, and fish. The health of these ecosystems depends on the quality and quantity of water flowing through the basin. Many cities and towns are built near rivers because of the water supply and transportation they offer. However, this also makes them vulnerable to flooding, so managing drainage basins is important for protecting human settlements.